Monday c'est chic, Tuesday la clique, Wednesday full on manicure, Thursday the cheeks, Friday the flicks, Saturday it's la pédicure, and so it goes. The latest à la mode.
What is style? Style means nothing until you live it. Hello and welcome to Peter England Mr. India 2016, hydrated by Ocean Active. We are starting off with the first sub-contest, Peter England Mr. Style Icon. For that, we're here at the Peter England store, India's leading menswear clothing brand. The boys have been given progressive and upbeat collection by Peter England, and all they have to do is style themselves.
Peter England as a brand has very good collections this time, like casuals, formals, tuxedos, jeans, denims, everything. It has everything.
It's not just formal wear that they're known for now, and something a little more young, fresh, vibrant is something that they're going for, and I really appreciate that.
What is Colin looking at?
Hi.
Hi.
I'm looking at something that is pretty simple,
Okay.
something that I can carry and explain myself of why I'm wearing that.
I like classy things, but still casual is always comfy, so I'm mixing classy with casual.
Okay, that's a nice mix. Are you happy with the look?
I'm a bit confused actually. I
Where?
picked out a couple of pants and shirts, but
Okay.
I'm not sure.
Endless options hai, endless options. Be it polka dots, be it checks, or be it this print, ye wala. Wow.
Welcome to the Peter England Mr. Style Icon. We've asked the boys to style themselves, so let's see if they've got it right or they've got it wrong.
I definitely think the shoes don't work.
Yeah.
I look more confident in formal, so I decided to go for white shirt with blue polka dots.
और थोड़े से options better हो सकते थे, but good try.
You've done a very creative job of putting a look together, bud.
You're not here on a regular casual day in your life.
Yeah.
So when you're here for a fashion sub-contest, you need to put in more effort.
मैंने ये specific color combination इसलिए choose किया है क्योंकि मुझे लगता है मेरी skin tone के साथ ये बिल्कुल perfectly match करता है.
It's very simple. It's not too much of it you have added to it. I like the way you were carrying your bag. तो आपने कुछ बहुत ही different किया, which is good, and I think I like it.
I choose this bright color because it goes with my skin, and with this look I can go for a marriage function, for a rides, and makes me more comfortable.
With all the other boys in formals or semi-formals, it's a very different look. I'm glad you dared to be different and did what you loved.
Style is something we all have. All we need to do is find it. I think that's what the boys have done today. I think you guys have done a fab job. Now over to you, judges. Let us know who are our top three.
I would select Viren for it.
Oh, Nisha, you are in top.
My selection would be Altamash.
Altamash it is.
To me, the boy who got it all right, every detail in place, was Prajwal Purnanna.
Let's hear it for Prajwal.
top 3 was the like, different looks. One with the blazer, all those stuff. One with suspender and bow. One with casual. Yeah, everything was totally different and very nice.
आपका fashion और आपका style, ये सबसे पहली चीज़ होती है जो appearance में इंसान के दिखती है. So I think it is one of the most imperative things, and I feel so confident and happy wearing this because this is just my style for the youth.
Congratulations, all the best for your sub-contest tomorrow. Well, it was a treat to watch our top 16 finalists in Peter England attires. But before we unveil them to the world, we think that they should feel more comfortable in their own skin. So here we are for yet another and interesting photo session and to judge them on who has that perfect body.
Perfect body is an amalgamation of all sorts of features about your body. Who's got a good upper body, good arms, but don't ever forget good legs too.
The shoot today is going to be extremely sexy. It's going to be extremely fun. It's going to project the guys in the best possible way, and I'm sure that it's going to be a very interesting shoot.
Hello boys, to make your shoot more exciting and challenging, we've got a surprise for you. We have the diva from Bollywood to our journey of manhood, none other than the charming, the stunning Evelyn Sharma.
Hi, I'm Evelyn Sharma and I'm here today to judge the 16 finalists on their hot bodies.
Suddenly, we had a beautiful surprise. Evelyn Sharma was there and we were stunned.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, boys.
तो पहले डर लग रहा था, अभी और ज़्यादा nervous हो गए कि she is so damn beautiful.
Evelyn, what do you expect from today's shoot from the boys?
I just want to see them really comfortable, you know?
Okay.
Because like I think especially when you wear like a little less clothing, it's always about like not being too sexy, like not to be put on sexy, but just to look sexy and be comfortable.
All right then, let's have some fun. All right, let's get started.
Pretty confident. I have worked a lot on my body for the photo shoot. With the confidence I'm going, next is my shoot. Let's see how it goes.
The swimwear contest is always the toughest. Any shoot where you're so exposed, it might feel very vulnerable. Everyone's beautiful, you know? You should love your own body and you should show off what you got.
And how was it?
It was great.
It was great?
Yeah.
All right, how was your shoot with Evelyn?
It was awesome.
Okay. Fun part is over. We come back to the serious part. It's time to decide the top 3. Before we decide, Amit, would you like to say something to the boys?
They were good and I enjoyed myself thoroughly, and the pictures have come out really good and they all are looking great. Yeah.
Top 3.
Okay, in random order, Varun, Ankit and Pratval.
Oh! Let's hear it for them. All right then, all the best boys. Thank you Evelyn for joining us. It was a pleasure. Thank you Amit. It's always a pleasure to have you here. And good luck to you all. See you very, very soon.
Today I learned that to give my best and be confident in what you do.
I'm in the final 3, top 3. So very excited.
Up next is the grand unveiling shoot of our top 16 contestants of Peter England Mr. India 2016. But before that, the boys are heading to Kromake for a makeover. Can't wait to see what happens next.
ये अपॉर्चुनिटी दी कि हम क्रोमा के जाएं और वहाँ जाके अपने मेकओवर्स करवाएं।
I'm really liking what's happening with my hair right now.
This is the first time I'm doing a makeover. That also I'm lucky to get a great stylist.
मैं मेरी बात करूँ तो मेरा नंबर 3rd था, तो जब फर्स्ट का जो मेकओवर हुआ तो I was like, man, मेरा नंबर कब आएगा यार?
All the boys, they're really nice. They are very well groomed already, so it makes our job easier.
After the makeover, it's not only me who is confident. I'm pretty sure everybody is confident right now because this was like much needed.
क्रोमा के ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है और नेक्स्ट हमारा ग्रैंड अनवीलिंग फोटोशूट होने वाला है, तो आई थिंक ये लुक मुझे बहुत हेल्प करने वाला है उसके अंदर।
Now, it's time for these hunks to face the world and strike their best pose in their grand unveiling photo shoot.
आज हम सब लोग यहाँ पे आए हैं अपने अनवीलिंग फोटोशूट के लिए, जो हमको अनवील करेगा इन द नेशन. एवरीबॉडी इज फीलिंग कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट द शूट एंड आई होप इट टर्न्स आउट एक्सट्रीमली वेल.
Well, today's unveiling shoot is extremely classy. It is very suave, very elegant, and that's what I want all the contestants to project.
So I think it's going to be very exciting. They're all wearing the Peter England formal collection. We've made the whole collection exciting by introducing printed shirts, bow ties, pocket squares, very exciting brooches.
Thanks to the great collection by Peter England, I feel so comfortable and so ready and confident to go forth with this photo shoot.
ये बहुत एक अलग एक्सपीरियंस है और टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया की वजह से अब 90 कंट्रीज में हम शो ऑफ होंगे कि हम इंडिया के टॉप 16 बॉयज हैं.
The road to the finale has begun, and in the end awaits glamour, fame, and the most prestigious title. So keep watching Peter England Mr. India 2016 only on Zoom.
Monsieur Desbonnes.